Good morning, students. Welcome to the EVS class. As you all know, in the last few classes, we have been continuing with chapter number 7, Animals Around Us. And what we are going ahead and doing is continuing with the chapter. We will be solving the worksheets based on the chapter as well. So, time for us for a quick revision. Even in the class, we do the chapter reading almost 7 to 8 times and practice the hard words even plenty more times. So, shall we do the spelling with Neha ma'am? Land, land, again. Land, land. Pets, pets. Pets, pets. Wild, wild, wild. Wild, wild. Domestic, domestic, domestic. domestic, domestic. Farm, farm, farm. farm, farm. Next word is tame. Who do we tame? We tame the pet animals. Tame, tame. Tame, tame. Gills, Gills, gills. Gills are used by the fish. Remember, we don't say fishes, it's fish, even in plural, and they are used to breathe. Fins, 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 which are used for swimming. Fins, fins. Next word is scales, scales, scales. Keep your copies ready with all the hard words, even question answers written in the copy. As you know, during the interaction, I will be asking you this. Some other hard words are beak. Now, who has the beak? The crocodile or the duck? The duck as well has the beak. But the birds have a beak, okay? Beak, beak. Beak, beak. Feathers, feathers, feathers. feathers, feathers. Then we have claws, 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 claws. Now claws are, for grip that the birds use to sit on the branches of the trees. Wings, wings, wings is the word. Wings, wings. Then we have squirrel, 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 squirrel. Now let's move on to the question and answers, for which I had told you have to write it in. I had informed you have to keep it ready in your copies. I hope by now you have completed it, because in interaction I will be asking you this. Where do animals live? Where do animals live? Some animals live on land, some live in water, some in trees, and some both on land and water. I told you they are called as amphibians. What are they called? Amphibians. Just good to know information at your age. Now, what are Pets. What are pets? Pets are animals we keep at home. Example, dog and cat. Even your fish is a pet fish. Okay. Activity was, few of you have already sent me. The ones who are not sending it, remember I have to assess you on the work you're doing. If you're not going to send me, I will not be giving you marks. Don't send this, but at least keep it ready during interaction. I will check each and every copy in the next interaction. Paste pictures of domestic and wild animals. Name the birds that cannot fly. Today, as you know, we have birds and fish. We will be doing worksheet also based on it. The birds that cannot fly are ostrich. What is the spelling of ostrich? Ostrich, ostrich. Again, ostrich, ostrich. Ostrich. Repeat after me. Then we have emu, emu, emu. And we have kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. So this was the practice of all the things we had to do. Remember, do not make any mistakes when you're solving this. Let's go ahead and try to solve the worksheet. This is worksheet number 4. Today's date is 20.10.2020. Let's read the questions again. Fill in the blanks. What does it say? Fill in the blanks. Dash lives on trees. Fish live on tree? No. Who lives on trees? Birds. You will write it in cursive. As you know, it is a proper noun. You know proper noun and common noun. Please start it with capital B. Fishes can live only in water. WATER, water. Cows live on, do they live only on land or on water? They live on land. LAND. As I told you, my stylus will not work perfect on laptop. You have to do it on your own. Answer in one word. They have beak, claws, feathers on their body. What are they? They are birds. Beak, claws, and feathers. They have scales on their body. Which are these? Fish. FISH. Remember, tail letter word? Fish. And I'm using cursive writing. The animals can live both on land and in water. The animal that can live both on land and in water, you can write crocodile. Crocodile. DILE. Okay, full stop. Circle the correct word. Octopus or lion lives on the land. Lion lives on the land. Good. A bird or a bear can fly in the air. Who can fly? Bird. Animals are of one or many type. They are of many type. Write true or false. All animals live in water. This is false. Some animals are big and some animals are small. True. Frogs can live both on land and in water. So true. Move down. Name the body part. It helps the fish to swim. These are fins. 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 Then it helps the bird to hold the branch. Claws. I was just talking about this. CLAWS. And it covers the body of the bird. They are the feathers. FEATHERS. Underline, students, that we are practicing so many times. We should just become the best at whatever we are doing. Match these animals with their names. This is octopus, so match it with octopus. M, a monkey. Then we have squirrel, and we have elephant. Complete the following sentences. The animals that can live only in water are called, what are they called? You will be doing all of this. The mouse is a dash and the giraffe is a dash. So please finish this much at least on your own, and I will be waiting to see all your work. Okay? All right. Be good, study well, and I shall see you back in the next class. Till then, bye bye.